Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to create professional product packaging mockup tutorial. We have to create paracetamol tablet packaging. I had already made this design for mockup. This is the mockup file which we using for our presentation. This mockup file attached in description below. These are the three layers, which is top side, left side and bottom side. Follow the process. Let's apply these layers. Follow the process. This is top side view. Adjust image as per requirements. This is left side view. Adjust image as per requirements. This is bottom side view. Adjust image as per requirements. This is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.